In the far distance there, you can see the magnificent Mount Fostel. Alright, so we've made it to the summit of Sugar Mountain. So this cabin here is actually a fire lookout. So its purpose is simply to be here to monitor all the mountains and hills around here to see if any forest fires have broken out. Let's take a look. I just figured it out. Hello? Wow, this is great. Look. Dead bugs. A foamy. That's so nice of somebody to come up and bring a foamy. Leave it for the people. Looks like a raincoat is up there. Simply amazing and peaceful up here. It was nice to take some rock samples for geology related work. It was a great hike. Approximately 50 million year old Pluton. Rock on. What a cool spot. This is a beautiful place.